Please up a nice one. We'll come up here on idea for send out the drone, man. You there, otherwise? Yes, man. You know, some good place where you can take me up in the bush. In the bush, there? Or any good river or anything.
I mean, everybody back that side, man.
Good river?
Yes, man, good river, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man, nice.
Sure, buy a bunch of it, bro. Yes, nice, General.
Yes, man.
Do video, man. Okay. So people them like the countryside. Yeah. Oh. Come catch them guinea placards. How much I want you? Take one of them on a carry. I like how them one they look young.
They want the nice thing. Can't taste the same, man.
And taste one of them ones.
It's loose and
Yeah, man. Sorry for. Place nice up here. So where we at now, my general?
This is side in Parkart.
Parkart.
Yeah.
Parkart, Clarendon.
Yeah, Parkart, Clarendon.
Yo, man, look.
Side of Frankfield. When I go that side of Frankfield.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. General, they hustle up some guinea and them thing there. Guinea them nice, you see people.
Yeah, man.
Them bad, man. Place nice up here, brother. I have to come up here, you know.
Yes, man.
I have a squeaking on the car, so you know, I can't run the video when I walk. It's better when walking more than driving. Man, it's an ant cat, you know. Jeez, you know, like I don't see an ant cat like this. It's crazy, guys. The view up here is crazy, man. Yeah, man, the view up here is crazy. Oh, my guinea drop. Yeah, the view up here is crazy, you know. Green, nice. Parker, Aki. Over them places like Haki Mango, you know, guineas, look. So many guineas on the trees rotting, you know. Place are fruitful, you know what I mean? Yes, fam. Place nice, man. Ah, yeah. You okay? Good. Place is nice, girl. Yeah, man. Place nice, guys. So he said this road good, yeah?
Yeah, man, this road are good.
Alright, so. Yeah. Boy, I love the place, my general. Yeah? Yeah, man, I love the place, my general. Respect, you know, you see me again, you know.
Yeah,
Okay, Park Hall.
Yeah, Park Hall.
Yeah, just see the sign, brother. Park Hall, you get me? Yeah, man, this is Clarendon, guys, you know. Yeah, man, countryside. But there's a lot of house here, you know. Let's go, bro. Come on, man, let's go. Clarendon. We're here, man. We're here in Clarendon. Park call. Gungu peas. Man. What's down there, Tyrell? Is it sugar cane? Down there.
Oh, yeah.
Sugar cane, man. Let's see. It's good. Place just green and nice, man. Yes, I would definitely come back and do a good video for you guys to make you see the place, man. It's so beautiful, you know. But right now we're kind of busy, man. I'm taking the boy to his school. Yeah, man, this is the Rainforest River. One day I could jump. I could jump on that stone to get there. But I could just walk in my slippers. No. Yeah. No? No, some put them now wet up, dog. Oh, I'm here for me, a village boy like you too, you know, G. You're going like some English boy, fam. Yeah. Right, I'm in a river, fam. Yeah. Can you imagine when rain this way I run go? This way I run go, you know? We think of that way. Huh? What? Okay. Yeah, man, this place is beautiful, man. Some mountain. Clarendon. Yeah, man. Clarendon. Stay upon it long. Yeah, man, the place is active, you know. It's green, pretty. All house, you know. Quality. Water clean, guys. Yeah, man, it's clean, you know. See if we can cross. Yeah, the place is nice, man. You're deep as well, you know. Yo, no good? You guys good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I'll float, yeah, float now. Youth, this me feel you put a while ago on top. We look over. I can't up here, you see? I didn't realize. I told me,
Is it deep there? Is it deep?
Eh?
There, I'm a judge.
What is it? If you water deep,
Yeah, is it deep there?
deep bad. If you over this deep.
Yeah, over there so look dark from, so it look proper deep, you know? Mm-hmm.
There are 6 feet down.
Yeah. So you say the river name?
Hmm?
The river name?
Rayamina.
Rayamina. Angwangu. So this is the biggest river, yeah?
My dead lake river them.
No.
Deadliest as well?
One I dead lake river them this. Rayamina.
Yeah.
But Guinea can deep.
No, I said dead lake.
Oh.
I never said deep. All of the effort when I go out there, blue one I go in. Let me try to tell him say deadly bad.
What little boy for you? Then a little boy too. Rain or fall, bro. Yo, big up yard and abroad for me now.
Big up man.
Yeah, man.
Big up here and abroad.
What you mean, you? Go on, roll it. Be careful, yeah?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. Woo, check out the wind, bro. Man, Tyrell, he might call me 1,000 times, you know? Tyrell.
Yeah.
He's calling me 1,000 times.
Doc, you need to go to the doctor and I'll get something out.
Hey, them not tell the man to come through. He left the drone them in the car.
No, what's that?
Chuck off now.
I know that.
It's deep, you know, you can't chuck off, you know.
You don't want that, okay, then.
Yeah, man, the water here bad.
You know what I put it like?
Hmm?
You know what I put?
Mm-hmm. Straighten up. Yeah, yeah. You're good. You look all right now? Yeah, man, the place is nice up here, you know, guys. Just take my nephew to the school. Edwin. Yes, in Clarendon, Frankfield, Clarendon. Go on a little view of the thing, you know. Yes, guys, this is Frankfield, you know, Clarendon. Take my nephew up to his school, you know what I mean? He's signing up back, you know, to do his next term, so you don't know. See how the place nice, so I say, you know what, I have to have this on my camera, you know, so I'm gonna show you guys what it look like, alright? Yeah. It's green, you know. It's green. Frankfield. This is my second time up here. But I come up here years ago. Years, a long time ago, you know. Yes, sir. Teacher. Yeah, man, it's a very good school too, you know. Yeah, man, the place is nice. This place, some guy was telling us. Yeah, some guy was telling us there's a lot of orange and coconut they farm down the side, you know. Sugar cane, you know. Yeah. Can't wait, man. I'm hungry, man. I'm ready to eat, you know. Boy, may I come up there? Boy, I like see the greenery, you know. I like it, man. It's reminding us of a place in France called Annecy, you know. Like it. Flowers everywhere. My dog. This is nice, man. I'll check how close in there at the queue, yeah? Yeah, man, the people them are fixed up ready for the next term, you know. You don't need me, right? You sure, sir? It's there. You finished? What's up? Putting a pen in there. So she don't have a pen? She don't have a pen?
Yes, you can ask security.
Ask the security.
No,
Come
one
here.
there, one.
Huh? It's what? Grant?